The federal government of United States is composed of 50 states, a federal district, 5 major self-governing territories. The United States government is based on the principle of federalism and republicanism. It is based on the Book of Authority by Montesquieu. It describes about the concept power or power sharing. For a country, president is the head, but he does not do it alone. In fact, he is just a part of 4 million people or part of the power puzzle. To know more, let's go to the year where the American Revolution ended, 1783. Now the United States government is in a change. So, the founding heads gave many suggestions and they also knew that the country shouldn't rule by a king so that they have their freedom. Hence, want a strong and a fair government to protect the rights and freedom. To form a proper constitution, it is not so easy. It takes some years. Eventually, the US Constitution adapted in the year 1787. This was generally based on the people's rights and freedoms. The Constitution of US government has 3 branches in it, namely legislative, executive, and judiciary. All the 3 organs or the branches have equal power and they are in the check and balances system because it ensures that no one has extra power or no one has the least power, and it makes everyone is equal and everyone has equal rights to serve people according to their needs. Let's go in depth of the each organ in the US government. First, the legislative. As the name suggests, this word is related to laws or making laws. The founding heads in the Article 1 states that this organ should be the first as it makes important laws. And it is mainly comprises of 100 US senators who are the participants in the upper house and 435 representatives. They are usually known as the US Congress. Their main function is to make the laws according to the people's wish. They can create, edit, or delete. And the other comes like approving federal judges and justices and passing the national budget and declaring a war. The legislative government has 2 senators in each state and number of representatives according to their population. Here comes the other important and interesting organ, the executive. As the name suggests, it relates to the word executing important thing. In this case, the president and the vice president were they enforced to obey the US Congress or the legislative branch. We all know that the head of the country is the president. Generally, the executive branch comprises of president, vice president, and cabinet ministers. They play an important role in between them. They are a good advisory and also plays a major role in the defense, treasury, and homeland security. Another important part of the executive branch is about the people. They can be hired or fired from the job, and they are also given retirement and pension. Their main function is to satisfy the people's wish, not only an individual but about 4 million people without any limitations or hesitations. The last part of the US Constitution is the judicial. The judicial branch, they could ask questions both to legislative and executive. Generally, they all comprises of courts, especially federal district court and supreme courts. The judicial branch can punish people when someone breaks the laws. The judicial government has the upper powerhouse known as Supreme Court, which settles the state disputes. Here, court appeals determine if constitutional. And there is an important and interesting other part of the judicial branch. The judicial branch has 9 justices which they can edit or modify. For example, if one of the justices is cancelled, they should be replaced, or one of the edits, they should be replaced with a new one. And all the individuals of the US should participate, and involve in it. The main aim of the US Constitution is not to disturb the individual's freedom, but they also should participate in the government activities. For example, like voting, and is there's an other case like if the government calls a person to act as a victim or a group of people to support the government, they should. So it is a great duty to know all about their government and their government functions. And they also know that all the three organs are interlinked, so they can be involved, informed, and intelligent in their government activities. This makes the people and the government of US so special. And at last, the Montesquieu concluded the book by saying that should be involved. For a better government, the people should be involved, informed, and intelligent in their government activities. So, let us go back to our topic.